I have just purchased a Wankel, which is the brand, sous vide machine, and I thought I would like to test it out with something that goes quite quick and doesn't cost a fortune. So this is what it looks like at the front. It's set for 75 degrees centigrade and 15 minutes. And I'm cooking 2 eggs, because otherwise it would take hours to cook something. And I like soft-boiled eggs. If it works with soft-boiled eggs, perfect. Now I have to find a suitable container, because I haven't got that many big pots if I need to do larger items. My eggs will be finished in 10 minutes, and let's see what happens then. The pot's quite hot though, which is a bit worrying, because I've seen a lot of people cook in plastic pots, so I'm not sure how the plastic actually behaves. So in theory the Wankel sous vide is keeping the temperature constantly at 75 centigrade. It looks like it's boiling, but I don't think it is. I think it's just moving the water. And I'm also filming this with my brand new Panasonic camera, which I'm not sure if I'm going to keep or not. I have it on test from QVC, and it's supposed to film very, very well, but it's quite heavy. So let's see what happens. Signing off from Orange.